little bit wrong.
Oh yeah.
Same thing, you are right. This one, ulta.
No, I have to.
No need this
I
one.
have to touch food.
Yeah.
I have to.
Just
Yeah.
continue. This is tha. Tha.
I was like all three, but I.
No. One second word
Oh
is
yeah,
change.
yeah.
Second word is change. Circle. Yeah.
Huh?
The. This is easy. He told now. Yeah. The. Next. Same thing. Ulta. No. First No.
Oh yeah, I would like.
Forget. The. Like this. Yeah. Yeah. 3. Ulta. Now. Like this ulta. No need that gap. No. Ulta. I told ulta. Try. Like W. That is na. This one is W. I told you.
I'm confused.
W. Full. W. W don't know. Full. No need gap.
Only the blue is there. Yeah.
You forgot.
Yeah. You could just rub everything.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. You just forgot that thing.
Hmm.
Now continue. Papa Baba. Last one. You learned ma. R to ma. Right? Think.
I have to touch food?
Yeah. Full. That one straight line will come. Yeah. Next. Same thing. No need.
I'm ready.
No need. There. Yes.
Pa.
Ba. What is that? This is wrong.
Oh wait.
This is another one. Bha. Ba. Like my name. Same. It will come like this and little bit changes. Straight. This one too, na. One word is changed. Same my word. My spelling is there. Straight. Yes. Ba. Now you wrote na. First. Straight line. Straight. Then like this. Then ma. No, not there.
And then ma is
Last one.
Ma is
Yeah. Come, see? Close. Yes. Very good. Little confusion.
no,
Here.
here.